Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'm just looking. Thank you.
No problem. Let me know if you need help.
Sure, thanks. Excuse me, where can I find the shirts?
Shirts are over there next to the jeans.
Great, thank you. Do you have this in a small?
Let me check. Yes, we do.
What about a medium?
I think we're out of medium. Sorry.
That's okay. I'll try the small one. How much is this shirt?
It's $25.
Is it on sale?
Yes, 20% off today.
Nice. Do you have something cheaper?
Yes, those ones on the table are $10.
Can I try this on?
Sure, the fitting rooms are in the back.
Thank you.
How does it fit?
It fits well, but it's a bit tight.
Would you like to try a bigger size?
Yes, please. This one is perfect. Do you have this in black?
Yes, we have black, white, and blue.
I'll take the blue one. Which color looks better on me?
The red one looks great on you.
Oh, really? Then I'll take it. What is this made of?
It's 100% cotton.
Is it machine washable?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. I like soft fabrics.
Are you ready to pay?
Yes, I'll take this one.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Do you offer refunds?
Yes, within 30 days with the receipt.
Can I exchange this later?
Of course, just keep the tag on. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Come again.
I will. Bye.